So here we are in my workshop, and I've got a tabla here who's got a buzz, a little one. I wonder if you can hear that. I hope so. So that is caused by this kind of crackle effect, which is on top of the which is the Shyahi, and one of the little pieces has got loose and is shaking, and that's what's causing a buzz. So now the process of finding that, we need a couple of tools. The first thing is a pin, so that we can find it and dig it out, and in the hole which is left we can use some wood glue. A little drop in the hole secures the edges of the hole, and then it won't get any worse. So this is the process we have to do now. It takes time to find the piece, and what we do, we can do that in various ways. So firstly, we vibrate, and we look through a microscope, or a magnifying glass. You can use any kind of magnifying glass. I've got these ones, which are, this is like a 10-time enlarging factor. So I put that on, and I can get really close to this, and I can see all the pieces, and I can see also, hopefully then, one which literally jumps out and is just on the surface like this. It's vibrating on the surface, and that is what you're hearing. It can be a very small piece, it can be a big piece, but that we have to look for. And what I do normally is just look on the edges first, and I turn it, I do right the way around, all the time, giving the sound, and so we can see anything shaking. And the other way of searching is by putting your finger here and finding out where the buzz is stopped. So if I'm here and I don't hear a buzz, then there's a good chance that it's in this area. If I'm here, I can still hear the buzz. It's not there. Not there. Not there, because I still hear the buzz. So that is a way of searching also. Try and do it systematically. Start on the edges and go around. I have some marks here on the tabla which there's a little, I think there's going to be a crack there, so I've marked that, just to be careful not to play on that spot. But I can use that mark to see where I start in the circle and where I have to stop. And when I stop, I focus a little bit more on the inside, and I do the whole thing again until I find something small, a piece of the Shyahi trembling on the top, causing a buzz. So this is the process. It takes time and a lot of concentration to find it. Just go around slowly, piece for piece, like this. Keep on going. And where am I? Yes, back to the beginning. So now I can change my focus a little bit more central. And I can see something. So this is where we find the pin. I've got the pin next to me. Yeah, so I found it, and I'm kind of focused on it, and it's, let's see where the pin head is. Here, this place here, is that one is loose. Watch it. You see it come up, and that is the loose one. You can see it clearly coming up by every hit, and that is the one which we have to kind of dig out. It's a very small one, and so I'm going to use the pin to kind of. Well, one way of doing it also is just to give a good hit here, and then if it's good, then oh no, it's still. Sometimes they come out if you hit it hard and then rub your finger across it. You can feel it sticking up. It's easier to catch, but this one is a little bit. No, he's still there. There's sticking up a little edge there. See if I can get in there. Very difficult to work this way, but I want you to see how it's done. There you go. I've just got to kind of lift it up. Yeah. Get in there. A pin is really tiny, but you can understand that it's a massive instrument to get this out at the moment, because it's just so small. Just be patient, please. You've got to be, of course, very careful not to go into the skin here, because you're just going to ruin the skin completely. Very difficult, but it's coming. It's on its way. Yeah, I think that might be it. Let's. I think that's it, actually. Let's see if we can get it better focused. Yeah, it's better. There's still a very little buzz somewhere, but it's much better. So the next thing we have to do, we take the wood glue and we just make a drop somewhere. So just use a regular white wood glue. Put one drop there, like that. It's a tiny amount. Then we're going to take the pin and we're going to drop that into there, like that. And then we bring the pin head with the glue to the hole, like this. And we just lay it down on there, like that. And then with the finger top, we rub it in. And basically, that is the problem fixed. So that glue, which is now inside of there, will just ensure that the other surrounding pieces of Shyahi will fit together or stick together, so that the hole doesn't weaken it, the surrounding area. Okay.